Imagine biting into a warm, flaky pastry fresh out of the oven. Now imagine making it yourself. Welcome to a world where flaky pastry is no longer a bakery exclusive. Today we're crafting a quick and easy flaky pastry recipe, a guaranteed crowd pleaser. First, gather flour, butter, salt and water. It's all about the simple things done right. Begin by mixing the flour and salt. Cut in the butter until you've got a crumbly mixture. Gradually add water, stirring until a dough forms. Roll it out, fold, refrigerate and repeat. This technique, known as lamination, creates those signature flaky layers. Bake until golden brown and voila, your homemade flaky pastry is ready to impress. Imagine it filled with sweet custard, or perhaps enveloping a savory filling. The possibilities are endless. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep on baking. For more delectable recipes and tips, subscribe to our channel, share our content and hit that like button. Stay tuned and keep those ovens preheated.